This is the PTR WEIGHT KIT. The gym might be closed, but that doesn't mean your workout has to stop. Take your fitness regimen with you wherever you go. No clunky assembly to worry about. Just a few components that allow you to perform routines such as a farmer's walk, sandbag drag or pull, curls, lifts, and any number of other exercises. The dual PTR liners can be used separately for workout or placed inside the bag for higher impact training. Don't rely on the unpredictability of a business to stay in shape when you can bring those same benefits right to your home or wherever you go. This is the PTR WEIGHT KIT.